Hello everyone, my name is Shailesh Dufa Are. I am the SOLIDWORKS Electrical Senior Application Engineer at Beacon. Let's consider a common scenario in the electrical industry. My boss comes up with another urgent project. Here, my boss logs into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform from a web browser. The gateway to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the compass. My project manager Vishal is creating a blueprint sketch of the project using the 3D sketch role. The 3D sketch tool creates geometry by using points, lines, splines, and any other sketchable shape to define a profile. It looks amazing. Dimension of each and every feeder has been given. MCC electrical control panel with a front view, side view, and top view. This sketch is easy to share, which improves ideation and innovation among my team. Here is the task assigned to me by Vishal. I log into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. This is my customized dashboard in a Beacon tenant, and I think it's pretty cool. It contains project PDFs, CAD drawings, and parts data sheets all in one place. It's great to have all of this important information easily accessible in one centralized location. With this dashboard, I can quickly find what I need, stay organized, and collaborate more efficiently with my team. I am very pleased with how this dashboard has enhanced my workflow and made my work life easier. Now let's complete the electrical project using a powerful electrical schematic tool with Excel. Let's start a new project for the MCC panel. We will need to include a project description and customer information. The great thing about this project is that I can customize the project properties tab to suit my needs and work in a way that is most convenient for me. This will help me stay organized and streamline the project process. I am excited to get started on this new project. It's time to take advantage of Excel automation with SOLIDWORKS Electrical. This powerful tool allows me to streamline my electrical design process, saving me time and effort. SOLIDWORKS Electrical is the most user-friendly electrical design tool available, making it easy for me to create accurate and efficient designs. I am confident that with this tool, I can produce high-quality electrical designs with ease. With SOLIDWORKS Electrical, I can create Excel sheets for various types of panels based on circuits. Whether it's a star delta, DOL starter, metering circuit, or anything. All power and control wiring circuits for the project were added successfully. I can use Excel Automation Wizard, add macros in Excel, and pages with descriptions. I completed the RIB lamp circuit. All manufacturer information was already set. Now, let's move toward the general arrangement drawing. Here's the game. Change your trick, which is completely new, and I hope you've never seen this before. I have a master Excel containing feeder drawings with the dimensions. I can use the same master Excel for any further feeder changes. From my electrical schematics drawing, I will generate an automated bill of material drawing, and with one click, I can convert all schematics into a smart PDF. My task is done. I have completed the project from the single line diagram, power wiring, control wiring, and general arrangement drawing with the report. Thank you for watching.